What's up, guys? It's Not Your Ordinary Barber with N.Y.O Barbershop.
What up, y'all? It's T Barber here with N.Y.O podcast. What's up, man? What you got today?
Chilling. Today we're going to be talking about, or this goes out to people that are thinking of becoming barbers or they want to become a barber. So I'm going to give my top 5 things that I think that somebody should do.
Okay, I got 5 for you too. What's up?
All right, so we're going to kick it off. You go first.
All right. So I got you right now. So for my upcoming barbers, I got practice and do as many heads as you can. Practice makes perfect. What can I say, man? As much as you look and watch videos and stuff like that, yes, you're gonna learn, but you have to do it.
Yeah.
You have to practice. That's how you get better. That's how you get the cleanest fades. That's how you learn how to do everything.
Okay.
So that's my first one.
All right. My first one would be do your research. What I mean by that is do your research as far as schools, do your research for like laws in the area. I mean, all barbering laws are pretty much the same, but like what you need to do to become a barber, whether it's an apprentice program or you have to go to school, how many hours, so on and so forth. I would say do your research first to make sure that this is something that you can even do to begin with. Because some people you can't even. I know in some places if you don't even have a GED or high school diploma, you won't even be able to even do it. So that would be my number one thing. What's your number 2 thing?
My number 2 is get legal. That fits right into what you were saying.
Okay.
When you get legal, you're not gonna receive no citation, no tickets, no nothing. So try to get legal.
Legal. Or looking to get legal. Looking to get your license.
Your license, yes.
There you go. My second thing would be to shadow a barbershop, man. Go to a barbershop. You know what I'm trying to say? See if you could, or if you have a barber, talk to your barber and be like, look, I'm thinking about becoming a barber. I like to see what you go through in a day, or I like to see what it's like for a day in the life as a barber.
Yeah, definitely.
You know?
That's a good one. You have to look and see what they go through, how things are moving, how they do their things.
Yeah. You know, they may not be for them. They may not be the type of person that likes to talk to so many people. They may not be the customer service type.
Yeah, because you need patience to deal with people. So
you know, they might be the type of person that they can't even freaking sit still. You know, they may not want to sit in a barbershop all day. You know what I'm trying to say?
Facts.
So do your research. See if you can shadow a barber, man. Don't be afraid to ask them. Worst they're going to say is no. You just move on to the next.
That's exactly my third one. Do not be afraid.
Okay, don't be afraid as far as...
Do not be afraid of learning. Do not be afraid of doing a fade, going up, doing this, doing that. You can't be afraid to do this job.
Okay.
Sometimes, you know, people limit themselves. Oh, should I do this? Like, should I use this clip? Do not be afraid.
I mean, questioning yourself is one thing, you know, but being afraid to go and do it is a different thing, you know.
Yeah.
Like that's you know. So just imagine if you were gonna go get a haircut from somebody that was afraid to cut your hair. You know, like that vibe, that feeling is gonna rub off on you. You know what I mean? You're gonna be like, this dude is.
You can tell.
Razor on my face.
Nah, and I've seen it. You can tell when somebody's scared. Yeah. Like body language wise, like you could tell when a barber.
And they feel that. You know, customers feel that.
Exactly. So do not be afraid and be confident and trust your skills, the things you're picking up, and ask for help.
Yeah. The next thing that I would say is watch YouTube tutorials. Before you even sign up for a school or do anything, do a search for haircut tutorial, barber tutorial, watch what they're doing, and see if that's even something you'd like to do in the first place. Yeah, that would be my number 3 thing.
Okay, so my 4th thing is consistency.
Okay.
So after, say, you already know how to cut hair, at least the basics. Say you got a customer and you did them before, so you wanna do the same thing you did last time on that person's head or better. Mm-hmm. So try to be consistent or better than what you did before.
I think consistency comes with time, based on your the way you work, right? Well, you should always, as you're learning and you're starting off, you should be trying to get better.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, you should be consistently trying to learn how to do a better haircut. You know, be consistent as far as like watch videos, be consistent as far as like going and learning more
No, yeah, in
in
general,
general, I think.
yeah, consistency. Yep. What's your
Uh,
fourth?
my fourth thing is going to be practice. I mean, once you've, shadowed the barber, once you have gone and watched some YouTube tutorials, take a couple of dollars, buy a machine, and pick either your son, your cousin, your
Your
brother,
nephews.
nephews, your grandkids, whatever it is, and practice
Yeah.
and try it, See if that's something you can grasp the concept, because that's something also that some people can't do. Some people can't figure out how to do a fade. They can't grasp that concept, you know what I mean?
Yep.
What about you?
Okay, so my fifth one is be clean. This is a job that you have to be clean. You must be clean, and your work area has to be clean.
Yeah, work area, your tools,
Your tools have to be clean.
disinfect everything.
Yep. Your chair.
Hmm. Your clips, your combs.
Yep. Even your bottles. Sometimes you have to clean the
Yeah,
bottles,
wipe
like
down your bottles.
or your spray or everything, man. Has
You,
to be.
you just put gel in somebody's hair, and you're gonna go into with your hands full of gel, grab the bottle, you're spraying it. 3 days later, you still got that same gel in the bottle. Like, that's not cool.
Nah.
You know what I mean? You got to make sure you clean things off.
Nah. Yeah. So that's the five things to
I got one more.
You got one more?
Yeah.
Okay. What?
After you did all of that, then you're gonna go and you're gonna pick what's better for you, whether it's an apprentice program or what school.
What is cool?
And what I mean by school is an apprentice program is your teacher. Do your research on who your teacher is and try to figure out if he's a good fit for what you want to try to do. Try to see if, like, let's say, for example, you want to open up barbershops, make sure that's a teacher that has barbershops or has had barbershops. If you're looking to just build your clientele, and make sure that that's a teacher that has worked in the barbershop and has been booked out and has their own clientele. Make sure
That
that the same
has
teacher, your goals as far as a barber, your teacher should have met and over exceeded already. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Yep.
Before you go and choose what you want to do.
Yeah. I think teachers they should have some type of experience if that's what you're looking for. So
Yeah. When you have some teachers that, they've cut hair here and there, but so let's say, for example, my ultimate goal was to own a barbershop. You got teachers that never owned a barbershop.
yeah.
You know what I'm trying to say? So,
True.
okay, he's going to teach me how to cut hair. Great. But if you're going to mentor under somebody, make sure they're going to teach you, more than just, how to pass a test. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
That's my top 5 things. You got anything else you want to add?
I mean, those are the most important ones I think for now. And like when you got that going on, then you're on a good way to be a successful barber.
Yeah. So keep that in mind. That would be my top 5 things. You gotta be safe. Peace.